It's an air show. It's an air show. Oh my god.
November 119 Juliet Delta is at PA28. I'd like to get flight following to Foxtrot Delta 88 at 2,500 with Oscar.
San Joe's Delta, standby for squawk.
Frequency is 1197, squawk 2548. I don't know.
Number 9 Joe's Delta, maintain VFR departure frequency 119.7, squawk 4647.
Squawk 4647 and 119.7 on the departure frequency for 119 Juliet Delta.
9 Joe's Delta, Rebecca, counting our taxi.
2 ground, 119 Juliet Delta.
Today we're going to Aero Acres, and let me explain what Aero Acres is. It's like a piece of heaven right here on Earth. It's secluded from everything, and it has about 60 houses that lead to this 3,150-foot runway. And today about 60 pilots are coming in for lunch, talk aviation, and have a good time.
November 119 Juliet Delta, runway 31, line up and wait, traffic 3 mile right base.
Line up and wait, 31, 119 Juliet Delta. Right, full ridge, carpet off, pump is on. Yeah, I'm gonna use as much runway as I possibly can. So I line up there. Hit me.
November 9 Juliet Delta, traffic on the avenue is northwest, follow that traffic, runway 31, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 31, 119 Juliet Delta. Cherokee, 1 mile final, runway 9, Aero Acres.
Look at the size of that thing.
It's an FX3 Carbon Cub, 190 horse, fuel injected, constant speed prop, 130 mile an hour Cub, 2,000 pound gross weight. It's got a 900 pound useful load. It's a pretty incredible airplane. big tires so you can suck it up when you hit something rough, you know. It's got an autopilot G3X. It's got everything. It's got everything a jet's got in it, maybe a little better. Slide way back, both feet in at the same time. There you go.
Nice. Oh my God. It fits. It fits. And so you're taking off in 200 feet. 200 feet.
Well, I mean,
you can almost take off from from left to right on the runway.
It'd take off a lot faster than that, but a normal person needs about 200 feet to take off and land.
What about fully loaded? Like
200 feet.
It's still 200 feet.
Yeah. So it's got a Lycoming IO363. It's got the new Hartzell Trailblazer prop, 83-inch prop. It said the whole panel's $30,000. That's the autopilot. That's everything.
That's because this is experimental.
Correct. That'd probably cost you over 100 grand if it was a certified airplane. And now they're letting you put that in certified ones too. So
it's same exact one, but the little sticker costs about 25
well,
grand.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, per 30.
It's a $25,000 sticker.
Exactly.